Hi guys, Dorota Palicka, international nail artist and educator here, and I am gonna do some unboxing for the Shein today. I got another parcel sent out to me, and actually Olivia was so excited that she have opened it. But that's absolutely fine. So I want to show you what we've got inside in here, and first of all I will need to just get rid of that tape because I didn't took any scissors, and I think that was the reason for it. I wanted you to get excited to see what is inside. There we are. That was a nice and strong pull. And what we've got in here, I'm just going to move that into the side because I want to show you a couple different things, like one by one. So in this one, I believe it's a nice and fluffy rug. Like, I love the white things. I'm going to make mess in my living room. There we are. Yes, that's a nice and fluffy rug, and I love it, those ones, because you can wash them and you can brush them and they're really nice and fluffy. And quite often I use them. This one is actually going to go very close to the fireplace, but you can use it as a background for the nails, and I love it. In a salon we do it all the time with the girls, like you can cover a client clothes and use it that way. I love it because it's so versatile, and white is my favorite color. Like you guys know, all the salon have been made white and all. Because it's a summertime, I got some bits and pieces for the garden, and I'm actually quite curious. I have like a wee palm trees, and then I've got some pots, and they feel so empty because they are underneath of the roof, and I'm terrible with watering the things in there. I want to show you what I got. So they come in pack of 2. I'm just actually going to open one of them. And what I love about it is that they are quite nice and long. Obviously, whenever you get the wee flowers... Oh, hi Olivia.
I'm moving it down here so you can see the products you're getting out.
Okay, thank you. Clever girl. Okay. Whenever I unbox like some sort of artificial flowers, they are really squished, like, and I will show you that in some other ones. But I think that will look really pretty because I can put it down the pot, and then this can go inside the pot. I cannot wait to put them in because the garden looks insane. My lilies actually went like crazy. Lucky was passing through them all the time, and his face is all yellow because of the steams, and I had to cut them. Oh, thanks Olivia. She's so helpful today. So that's just some of the lilies like from my garden. They just went mad, and obviously you can see it. Some of those yellow parts is Lucky. A victim of my lily flowers. This is so terrible. So yeah, we are gonna place those pretty flowers. I just leave them here so they can kind of open up a little bit more with the time. Get rid of the rubbish. Here we are for Patrick. He's laughing because he knew it was gonna happen. Like, there we are. I like to annoy him. And I've got more of those artificial flowers, and actually this one looks insane, like really insane, because it is August time already. Water noises. I thought I want something with orange in it, and this works just perfect. So first of all, they are really nice and soft to touch, like a kind of almost like a velvet kind of thing. Again, they are very squished, but I did had one box of them already. So I'm just going to show you how I'm kind of straighten them a little bit. And here you can see it as well. What I love is the colors. They kind of imitate like a natural flowers because they are not one color. There is a couple colors going on, like, you know, yellows, greens, peach, really nice and beautiful. And it comes in, I think, 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yes, 8 of them. So this is how they look when they squished. I'm not gonna unsquish them. Can you use the word like this, Olivia?
I guess.
I guess, yeah. And again, you can see it like all the colors. But I've got a bouquet of it. You could actually, Patrick, show it because I've got a really nice bouquet. This is just a one pack of them, so 8 of them on the fireplace already, and you can see the difference once they get like a day to unfold. They look so nice, and I love the fact I've got some orange in there as well. So this one is definitely gonna, this will definitely like land in here, and I will just make it a little bit bigger, especially adding those wee oranges in them. Nice and soft. Some of them are kind of stuck together, so I'm just ripping them apart. But they look really, I am very impressed, like the fact that they look quite nice and natural. Okay, awesome. I will do that later on, like put them all together, because when it's gonna be full, I think it is gonna look even prettier on my fireplace. Okay, so let's place them here. They can start unfolding. I'm actually gonna feel like a flower queen, princess. I don't want to be a queen. And huh? No, queen, like I don't know. Like I always wanted like to be a princess and never a queen. Like, you know, like have my prince on a white horse. And then I've got some orchids, and these ones are actually gonna go into the salon. So in salon, I actually, when we was doing renovations and everything, I took all my nice decorations, all my orchids from the house, and I put them into the salon. And sometimes I find it like, you know, they are quite nice, but maybe they've got just 3 stems. So what you can actually do it is like, if you've got some pot with the orchids, you can just add additional ones. I've got actually a real one in the kitchen as well. I got it probably from you, Olivia. So you could even add it into the real ones. It's actually mixed quite nice, and I have done that in the past as well. Like when your orchid, he's like, I'm gonna get that for you. So what I'm doing is like when my orchid lose the flowers, I can put the artificial ones inside, so it still looks really nice and pretty instead of just like on green leaves. And orchids are actually quite nice and simple to keep up, yeah. Oh, this one is just, it actually gives me just a first bloom. So it is really, yeah, you can take this one away because I'm gonna, yeah. So it gives me a first bloom, and then what I can do is I can attach the artificial ones. Like, I mean, obviously this isn't done nice way. There we are, then another one could go kind of bend it. But this is gonna go to the salon. So in salon I've got another one. Actually, I might actually, yes, I might actually, you know, well, to do that, because it will make a really nice and pretty difference. So ideally I should have another supporter. Let me twist it my way. That doesn't look too bad. There we are. So they are usually, you get like a wee clips with the little, I need to be very careful because I've got the real one and I really don't want to damage the real one. And the last one for a balance has to go on the other side. I don't want to trim them as well, but you can also trim them like there are some cuts in them, so you could trim them. Okay, now I'm gonna turn it your way because I have seen it my way. Yeah, so I would usually like take a clips and clip them nice, so you can kind of create a really nice composition, mixing an artificial flowers and the real orchids. But this one is gonna be out from here. This is just a temporary one, and we are gonna put it into the salon. So what else I've got in here? I've got some pillowcases. So again, this is gonna go to the garden. I love my garden like so much. And next summer I am really wanting like a nice new rattan suit because ours is so old. So I've got some beach vibes in here. Shells, home, sweet home. Actually, I like the first one so much, and this one. Oh, this one is my favorite one. And it's called Relax. Yeah, definitely my favorite one. And then we've got another one. Yeah, so they're nice, and they are actually really great. We've got a pair of them on the front. I was just missing a pair of them on the back. And they are fantastic the way they are waterproofed. So they actually survived me. These ones which we've got on the front of the house, they have survived me like a third winter with no trouble at all. What else I've got in here is... What else I've got in here? I think that must be some flower vase.
I'm going to see how one looks on a pillow.
I have no scissors.
Do you want scissors?
If you don't mind. If you don't mind. This is me doing unboxing video without of scissors. But anyway, I've got some flower vase. And this one I needed for a salon again, for Patrick background. We have done it a really nice one, and then Olivia came to me and she says like her boyfriend spoils her with lots of flowers and she's missing a flower vase, so she got mine. Because she didn't have a flower vase. Because for those of you who watch us, scissors, they will be on my dressing table, like a really nice ones, or on the nail desk where we record. Thank you so much, Olivia. She is so helpful today. So basically I tell you guys, so we have no car. Because we're still sorting out the car. Now it has actually more serious issues going on with it. And that's since November, guys. And she walked all the way from town, which is like about 7 miles. If you drive the car, 7 miles. She bought her a chicken, bread, and she's going to make a dinner, you know. This is like unbelievable child. I got them before, and Patrick actually said to me, when he saw them in a salon on the background, he says, you know what, they are actually really nice. Do you remember those flowers? Yep. You do? I think the other ones maybe had slightly different color. Again, they are very squished, and you cannot see the full results of them until they are unsquished. My eyes are gonna go like and check like what else I've got in there. So for all the Shein unboxing videos, I will be giving you guys like a wee discount code or a search code. With the search code, you get like an automatic discount, apply it in there. And you know what I love about those videos? You can actually see it, how some things looks in real life, because sometimes things on the pictures looks fantastic and then you get it and it's like, that's actually is not that nice. But there is some stuff which I totally love it so much. Like, I mean, those flowers, like they are amazing. Like they look so nice and so real. They are more fake, but for the garden they will do. And then let me see what I've got in here. So because I've got so many flowers, because I've got some... Oh, that's a pillow. Show me. Yeah, it's so nice. I think it will look awesome. Like we've got the... on the decking on the back, definitely was missing pillows in there. Okay, let me see what kind of vase I've got. Oh, she took my good scissors or bad scissors? Bad scissors. I'm always checking because I've got scissors for the form cuttings, and that's the scissors which I don't like to be used anywhere else. Okay, now I am unbelievably impressed. I thought this is gonna be plastic one. It's not.
Is it Vase?
Yes.
Yeah, good.
Ooh.
Guys, I'm so happy with this one. Check the product code. It is amazing. The price-wise, like they go nuts like when it comes to prices. But this one is plastic, and most of the vases I actually got it from Shein was plastic, but this one isn't. I love that sound. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with it. So happy. Like it is gonna look so pretty. I am really excited now. Okay, let me see what else I've got in here. And that says fragile, so this is gonna be another vase, and it's not gonna be a plastic one. That's made my day. I've got lots of sweet peas in the garden, and some of them are kind of falling because they're so heavy. So this will be just a perfect vase for my sweet pea, this one. It's so cute and pretty, and imagine like full of sweet pea, like this is crazy. Like I love it so much, but even as a backdrop for the nails, it will look fantastic too. Okay, get this mess. I am so happy about those vases. They made my day. Honestly, I didn't expect it so much. And quite often I like the things in two. And if I will have an occasion, like I want, so this one will land in the kitchen. And this one is gonna be on the table here where we eat dinner with Patrick and Olivia. And I'm just gonna grab some sweet pea from the garden. Because you know what I love about the flower vase? I do not like, so I like my flower vase to be not too small, and I don't like them transparent. Yes, you have said that right, Patrick, as well, because when Olivia bring the lilies, I have just like a very old glass transparent vase, and I really don't like it. I do prefer it like the one I've got it on the fireplace, and because it's not completely transparent, and they are just perfect. They are not gonna show like the water. For those of you who watching me first time, I do also love to add a drop of vodka, a Polish vodka going into my flower vase. That's keep them really fresh for an extremely long time. But yeah, they are super pretty and they are amazing. I am in love with them. What else I've got in here is a wee pumpkin. It's like a velvet one. Doesn't look nice so far. I would love it to be maybe a slightly different shade of orange. This one looks sad, a little bit too sad. Like I would prefer it brighter, but it's nice, soft and velvet. So that will go nicely with like those orangey flowers and autumn time decorations, because we are kind of heading into that direction. And then another thing which I've got in here is a sofa cover, because we've got black sofa. And the sofa is screaming to me as well, like, you need to replace me. So I thought, like, I'm just gonna brighten it up, and I've got some sofa covers and here, which are actually huge in size. Oh my goodness, they are huge, yeah. So yeah, this is like a very, very, very large sofa cover.
It's impossible to show.
It's impossible, yeah, it's impossible, like, to show it in full. But yeah, I'm gonna try it and see if it can make my sofa nice and cozy. And I think that's it. So the other one is a sofa cover as well. And that's my box empty. But I hope, guys, you have really enjoyed this unboxing video. If you did, let me know in the comments below also what did you like the most from all these items. Like for me, I think the winner is the vase, definitely. Then the flowers, equally with this beautiful pillow, I think. And no, and this white wee rug. Yeah, I'm sending you huge glittery hugs and looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!